In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hopefully resolve if your keyboard is not working on your Acer laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So the first thing I recommend doing would be to plug it into a different port on your computer or on a different device and see if it's just a keyboard related issue or maybe it's an issue with a USB port on your computer. If that's not what the issue is or it's an internal keyboard, you can open up the search menu and then select the settings gear button on the left panel. Select that. And then scrolling down on this page, select update and security. On the left panel, select troubleshoot. And then on the right side, select additional troubleshooters. Underneath find and fix other problems, you want to select keyboard and then run the troubleshooter for that. And then you can view additional information about what it's scanned for. And hopefully your issue should be resolved. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.